Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a video showing you different products from Amazon for travel specifically. So I do have another trip planned and it's coming up quick in just a couple of weeks. So I decided to get a lot of these things because after my experience going to Cancun and Colombia in February, I was like, yeah, I need a few more things to travel comfortably. But first, subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. All right, so the first item is this pouch. So this is for jewelry. And I got this because last time that I went on vacation in February, I just took like two little boxes full with jewelry because typically I wear silver, but I wanted to wear gold for my trip. So I don't know, it wasn't the most practical thing to do. So I decided to get like a little jewelry case to take with me. So here I'm planning on putting my watches, maybe just like one or two watches. And then chains, I am planning on putting chains here, and earrings, bracelets. I'm not sure if I'm bringing any rings because I'm not a huge ring person, and I can show you a pack with me if you want. And I like it because it's pink. Honestly, I thought it was pink inside, but it's not. It's kind of like a brown color. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it even though inside it's not pink, but I'm gonna keep it because also it's not sturdy, so that way it can bend easily in the carry-on because I'm planning on bringing a carry-on. But yes, I will leave all the links below. The next thing is a passport cover. So I got this on eBay actually, and I can leave a link below as well. But yes, this is really pretty. And of course I needed a pink cover for my passport. So where I'm going, I really don't need a passport, but I think I'm just gonna bring it. Okay, next is this product. So this is for the cell phone. So I have what do I have? I have a iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got two covers for the phone, like waterproof, so I can go in the water because I'm going somewhere tropical. I just need one, but I'm just gonna bring this cover because I plan on going under the water a lot and I want to take videos. Why not? So on the back it says it's waterproof. Also, I can touch my screen with this pouch, so it should work just fine. Okay, another thing that I got was this product. So this is like a hook for my phone. That way I can watch, I don't know, Netflix or YouTube on the airplane. So this is how it looks like. So any phone fits really. But yeah, so I got this because on my trip to Colombia and Cancun, honestly, so I pre-downloaded Netflix episodes and that's all I did in the plane. I didn't really read a book in the plane. I can't really read books in a plane because I just get a little dizzy. So if you see the picture on this box, that's how it's supposed to go on the back of the seat in the plane, right? Just like that. So this is how it's supposed to be. And then you just put your phone and that's it. And the reason, so this comes in black as well. But the reason why I purchased it in pink is that way I can just see it quickly in my bags. Typically my airport bags are black inside. So if I have this hook that is black, it's kind of hard and difficult to see, if that makes sense. So with this being pink, it's going to be very easy to see in my bag. That way I can just grab it quick, hook it, and then start watching whatever I want on the plane. So yeah, I bought these bags. So these are organizers for your carry-on. And I figured out that I really needed this. And it's just better to have everything organized, especially once you start using your clothes and you have to like separate them from your clean clothes. It's just better to keep everything in bags. So I decided to order this set. So this was just super cheap and inexpensive. The link will be below for sure. So this is the biggest one. And yes, I ordered them pink too. Why not? So it has a really nice tag. I can put my dirty clothes in here or shoes. Here's another one. And also, like, I want to separate my undies and my bras as well, and swimsuits. So yeah, isn't this cute? So it says, wait, it says secret pouch travel season. Isn't that cute? However, like, what is up with the print, right? Because I would think it's better to have it like this. The zipper is up here, but then the letters are upside down. I don't know. Is that weird? So here's another one. Super roomy. I do have a lot of toiletry bags, but maybe I could just put it in here. And then here's another one. Yeah, probably I will fill some of these out in my carry-on, and then I will bring an empty bag. That way, when I'm at the hotel, I can just start putting dirty clothes in here as I use them, right? So another thing that I bought in Amazon, which this particular item I'm not going to bring with me, but I actually needed it. It's a currency souvenir album. So I got this because I got a couple of international dollars and I wanted to keep them as souvenirs. So I just put them in here. So this particular album comes with both coins and dollars. I have dollars from Colombia. So I have a $2 and a $5 bill. And then for coins, I don't have a lot of coins. Like the coins that I got from my vacation on February, I decided not to keep it. But up here, I have Germany coins. I have some euros, 1 Canadian. And then these are like Disney pennies. Okay, the next thing is these sunnies. Now I showed them before and I'll put the video, but I got these sunnies specifically for my February trip. And they are just really epic. And I'm definitely bringing them for my next trip. And these are Carrera. I did get them in Amazon and I love them because they have this T on the top. And you can see the brand right here. But yeah, and then it came in this really nice case. So this is just such high quality. It came just incredibly packaged and wrapped up. It is really just a great purchase, you guys. Like, this is an absolute need. Okay, the next couple of things that I'm going to show you is things that I found that I need to bring with me on the plane. These. I might not wear it in the plane, but just in case, because you never know. Also, an extra phone charger. I don't know, I feel like you do need an extra phone charger just in case. Some planes, they don't have like that charger port. So it's better to have one than to not have one. All right, so that is it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Again, all the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.